reason why we chose the Mercedes Sprinter van to work on is because the other top two options were the ProMaster and the Ford Transit. ProMaster does not give you four-wheel drive and the all-wheel drive like Ford and Mercedes did. On top of that, the aesthetics was not really what we were looking for. Also gave us the option of four-wheel drive. Although they're switching to all-wheel drive, I think that this is still a really great option, because I believe we've done a very good job in the build for our Mercedes Sprinter vans. So as a van conversion company, every single centimeter matters in a van. So like whether it's the width or the height or the length, all of it is really important. Like just a few inches can mean a matter of whether you can put a bathroom and shower inside your van, or whether you can add a different type of function like the 3-in-1 that we have for our Murphy bed, our 3-in-1 system. That really relies on how much space that we have in this van, and that's why it really makes a difference in how spacious it also feels too. Mercedes also has one of the safest technologies for any type of automobile. When you're driving a little bit longer vehicle, you want as much safety technology as possible, right? You know, the blind spot assist, lane keeping assist, active distance distronic, which is pretty much a smart cruise control. So your car will start slowing down if there was a slowdown in front of you. So all of this stuff really matters. Driving, we all take it for granted at times, right? You want to make sure that you have all of the safety precautions in a moving vehicle.